this chip and this salsa. And it's the ghost pepper salsa. And ghost peppers are the hottest pepper in the world. And it says, watch, ingredients: tomatoes, water, jalapeno peppers, onions, green chili peppers, distilled vinegar, cornstarch, salt, ghost peppers, garlic, spices, and cilantro. So, let's try it. This is real. And I don't have any water to go with this. The reason I have that is because someone in my dad's work said he was too hot for him. And my dad says it's kind of hot. To me, it just tastes like regular salsa.